Hi guys, welcome back to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back with breaking news regarding the DJI Mavic 3 release date and update regarding this drone. We have a lot of information for you guys today, so you don't want to miss out on today's video. But if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free Mavic Air 2, the only thing you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and if we get to 1,000 subscribers before September 1st, then we're going to be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's free. Subscribe to the Drone Emotion family and let's help grow this family bigger. So if we get 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away this Mavic Air 2. So guys, it's free, and subscribe to the channel. And before we get started with today's topic, I want to give a huge thanks to today's video sponsor, who is Heredia consulting firm. So if you guys need anything regarding tax, bookkeeping, payroll, financials, and business advice, make sure you contact them because they're professionals at what they do and they've been doing this for a long time, so they know what they are doing. So if you guys got any issues regarding anything related to these topics, make sure to click the first link in the comment section down below. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video, guys. So today we have some news coming from Drone Excel. They're pretty reliable when it comes to DJI leaks, and today I have some pretty disappointing news. I know I was expecting the DJI Mavic 3, but unfortunately it's not gonna happen, guys. So let's talk more about what this means. So as we talked in our previous video, we talked about that the DJI Mavic 3 is not going to be happening this year, okay? So when can we expect this drone? Well, we're gonna talk about all of that in today's video, guys. So it looks like this year the only products that we're going to be getting are going to be the DJI Ronin SC and the Osmo Mobile 4, okay? So unfortunately, Mavic 3 not happening. We were waiting for it since January and still hasn't come. So unfortunately that's not gonna happen. But I have some good news for you guys. So as far as the DJI Mavic 3 is concerned, the drone is pretty much finalized and it's currently going under final testing. So we got some good news. We know that the DJI Mavic 3 it's almost done, and we know this because OCLB also tweeted back in June that they were doing a beta testing with the batteries, and we know that that beta battery testing was going to finish on June 5th. So we know that the drone exists and it's about to be done, but unfortunately it's not going to be happening due to political reasons, guys. So let's talk a bit more about the release. So this indicates that a release in 2020 it's not possible, okay? So when can we expect to see this drone? I think we're going to be seeing this drone in January of 2021, okay? So that's 6 months away from today. I think it's gonna be one of the best drones to come to the market. I think no other drone is going to be able to compete with the Mavic 3. I think we're definitely going to be seeing huge upgrades regarding camera sensor. It might even have interchangeable lenses. But the good news is that we know that the Mavic 3 does exist. So that's what I wanted to leave you guys today with, some good news. We know that the Mavic 3 exists and that it's coming. So those are the good news for today's video, guys. So thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you on tomorrow's video.